Hey guys, hope all of us are doing great. My name is Ernest. In our discussion today, we're going to look at the discovery of radioactivity. And this is one of the, of course, contributions of Ernest Rutherford towards the concept of understanding an atom or atomic structure and its role in the concept of radioactivity. Now, Ernest Rutherford, together with other scientists, played a very vital role in the discovery of this concept of radioactivity. And of course, he made this series of discoveries in various fields of radioactivity and nuclear physics that we're going to see later in our various discussions. Now, one of the unique discovery that is credited to Ernest Rutherford is the discovery of alpha and beta particles, whereby he described alpha particles of the helium nucleus and, of course, set some of the laws which are going to be applied in radioactivity, especially on the concept of radioactive decay that we're going to come across in our various discussions. Now, Ernest Rutherford, together with other scientists, especially Henry Becquerel and Maria Curie, as we said, laid a foundation which the concept of radioactivity was and is being described. And this is going to assist us, of course understand the various topics that we're going to learn, especially on quantification of various aspects of this specific radioactive phenomenon. Now, across the periodic table, we're going to see that there's a class of, or rather a range of elements with a specific atomic weight and atomic numbers, which are going to display this phenomenon of radioactivity. And they're going to assist us, of course, understand further. Now, first thing for us is to appreciate the historical context of this specific topic of radioactivity, so that it can assist us to understand other subsequent discoveries and the basis upon which they have been built. So catch us in our other videos and check in our description boxes for various links which are going to assist us, of course, to understand these specific topics on the concept of radioactivity and the radioactive processes. So that is it for now, guys. Bye. God bless you.